Welcome to Land the House. I'm Seth. This is a ram pump. It's a water pump that does not need fuel or electricity to operate, only flowing, falling water. Basically, the operation is water comes down a drive pipe, activates the waste valve, sending a pressure wave into the secondary valve. That builds pressure in this tank and sends water uphill. A question that I get often is, can I close the delivery pipe at the top? And if I do that, will the pump stop or will it keep going? And then what happens if I open that pipe again at the top? So I figured today is a great time to go ahead and discuss if this is possible or not. The quick answer is yes. You can close the delivery pipe at the top and the ram pump will continue to operate down here at the bottom. However, there is something that can happen. If you have a good bit of head pressure and not a lot of lift, whenever you close the delivery pipe, the ram pump will continue to cycle and it will build up to maximum pressure allowed on the input head pressure you have. And then when you go to open the top of the delivery pipe, the tank will push out that pressure real quick and sometimes the system will stop. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that here with this ram pump. Let me get this pump started real quick. I think the drive pipe is empty from all the air. Let's see if I can get this to cycle on its own real quick. Let me show you my setup real quick. Typically your ram pump would have a source in a creek. I am using this bucket with a float valve to bring the water to the drive pipe, which is about 30 feet here. Comes down to the ram pump. Here is the ram pump. It's cycling almost once per second, maybe a little bit fast. Now the garden hose is the delivery pipe and it is going all the way up here to the house. Let me show you that real quick. You can see the output of the ram pump currently. I can close this valve here, and as long as I open it back up pretty quick, I won't have too much water coming out and everything should continue to flow. Yeah, so no problem. However, if I close this and let the pressure in the tank build too high, it's gonna stop that pump. So let's close this real quick. Now let's go back down to the pump and I'll show you that it's still operating even though the delivery is closed. The ram pump has started to hit hard and I just noticed that it has pulled the drive pipe free up here. So that's one issue you can have, is that the pump becomes more violent and can pull things. Now this wasn't glued, but yeah, so one thing that happens is the ram pump will hit hard as soon as that delivery has stopped, and that's because the pressure goes way up. With 6 foot of input head pressure, this ram pump is capable of producing about 60 psi inside of this tank. That is a lot of pressure. So that also means that the garden hose going up the hill has about 50 to 60 psi, well, at least right here. Drops down as it goes up, but you're about to see what happens when we open that delivery pipe at the top. It's gonna stop the pump. I placed some weight on the drive pipe and I think it's gonna hold that pipe together while we go up to the top, and I'll show you that whenever you open the delivery pipe with not enough lift, it's going to stop the pump. The ram pump has reached max pressure. We might see a surge of water here and it's possible the pump will stop if I set this up correctly here. Yeah, it seems like the pump has stopped. So what happened was too much pressure was released quickly and the ram pump pressure tank dropped and the valve could not reclose after it was opened. So basically the ram pump has stopped because the pressure release was too strong. Whew, these gnats are bad today. As you can see, opening the delivery valve at the top after the pump has reached maximum pressure allowed by the input head pressure, the pump is likely to stop because too much pressure is released at once and back pressure is lost on the pump. Now, how can you fix this issue? Well, you could bring your input head pressure down some so that the pressure at the top doesn't make as much difference. Or you can lift your delivery pipe up further up the hill And that way, because the higher you go, the more the pressure drops. And so if you get to a certain height, when you open that valve, the pressure isn't going to be as extreme as you saw in this example. Another thing you can do is to slowly open that delivery pipe to let the water out with less force. But to be honest, with the height that I've got, even a slow release might be too much for this pump, because on purpose I had my delivery pipe very low so it was just at the cutoff point. So keep that in mind. One of the things that I like to do is have my ram pump delivery pipe go into a tank and then have an overflow to take it away from the tank whenever it's full. So that just avoids having a valve at the top altogether. I have 4 different sizes of ram pump available. I'll have links to those in the description down below if you want to purchase one for your very own. I'm Seth with Land to House, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.